before I dance with you, baby. Hopefully we don't have no babies. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully I don't leave on your own.
Calling and texting the whole damn week, crying to me like your first name's Keith. Why you questioning me about who I let deep? You got it, man, you got it.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be doing a collaboration with neflyonwigs, and also this is the beautiful packaging this wig came in. It doubles as a backpack. How cute. And I'm just showing you the things that also came in my package. They include a couple of flexi rods, some hair clips, an elastic band, and a hair cap. And this is the unit I'll be reviewing today. As you can see, it's their highlighted bob wig, and it has some blonde highlights throughout. And I'm just gonna put this unit on the mannequin head and show you what the hairline looks like straight out the package. So you can see that it is pre-plucked. And I'm going to just go ahead and flat iron this unit because it did get a little ruffled in the bag, and just kind of make this wig lay sleek. I noticed that the ends on this wig was bumped kind of hard, you know, like old school. And we don't want it to do that. So, and I'm just taking my 2-inch flat iron that I love to use on my straight units, and it creates the perfect bend. Like, it's just like slightly bend at the end. And I'm just gonna do this throughout the unit to make it nice and sleek before I install it. And this is what it looks like when I'm finished. Look how gorgeous these highlights look. After I flat ironed the hair, the highlights did really begin to pop. And I'm gonna just try this unit on right now and let you guys get a look at this hairline. As I mentioned, it is pre-plucked, and this is what it looks like on my head. The part and area on this unit looks really good as well. It's giving me a really nice scalp-like appearance. And I'm going to proceed and cut this lace off. This is an HD lace, so it blends pretty well with my skin even before I do anything to it. And one thing that frustrates me about filming is that sometimes under this light, the camera picks up angles or pieces of the lace that in real life is not visible. So it's really frustrating when I'm playing back my footage and I see things that I didn't see in real life. But I guess that just comes and goes with the territory. And already I can really walk out the door wearing this unit the way it is right now. Since I have the elastic band on, it can be worn glueless. But I'm going to just go ahead and tie this wig down using my bedhead hardhead hairspray. And this is a really beginner friendly way to lay down your units. And it gives you a temporary hold for like 2 days. And once that's nice and tacky, I'm going to just proceed and lay the unit on top of that hard spray. And I'm just going to push that in with the tail end of my comb. Then I like to just go on top of that lace with some more of that hairspray to catch any of the ends from the lace that I didn't get initially, to just lay that down a little bit more. And it's summertime, guys, so having one bob in the rotation for me is mandatory. Bobs are just like an easy go-to hairstyle. It's always easy to just throw on and go. You don't really have to worry about styling it. And most importantly, it doesn't make you hot when you're wearing it. And now I'm going to go in with some of my wet line gel to lay down some of the baby hairs. One thing I do like about this unit is the texture of this hair. It's not a yucky texture, but it's not one of that shiny texture either. You can tell that the texture of this hair is giving me a realistic vibe, where it looks like this texture could actually be my texture had I straightened it. And as always, I'm going to go on top of this unit with my hot comb. Guys, I tell you all the time, if you don't have a hot comb, you need to invest in one. A hot comb is definitely your best friend when it comes to laying your unit. It helps make everything, it's just kind of like adds that finishing touch to all of your units. Lastly, I'm just going to go on top of this with some of my Garnier Fructique Sleek and Shine to finish off this look. And then I'm going to turn around, guys, so you can get an idea of what the back of this unit looks like. I think this is in about 12 inches. I'm not sure exactly, but as always, guys, I'm going to have everything used in this video listed in the description box down below. So dolls, let me give you my final thoughts on this unit. As I mentioned, this wig is from neflyon. I don't know how you pronounce his name. But this is their highlighted bob. It is virgin hair, and as you can see, the lace is HD. The bob is actually called, it says colored face scalp wig. So I'm not sure, I guess this must come in a fake scalp option as well. I don't have the fake scalp. So if you are interested in purchasing this in a fake scalp, please be sure to reach out. This is a 13x6 frontal lace front unit. This unit is fairly priced. It's gonna run you around $130. The hair is very soft. I didn't really experience too much, if at all, any shedding or tangling. I will say though that these blonde strips, as you probably saw, were kind of like sticking up in certain places, so I did have to lay it down with my wax stick. The wax stick is good for laying them down, but then sometimes when I put the flat iron, it makes it stick up straight like that. And when that happens, I like to just take a comb and spray either some Got2b glue spray or my bed head on a comb and just comb that down, and that's gonna get all the little strays. Other than that, the hair, as I mentioned, is very soft. There's no tangling, there's no shedding. I can't say that when I first took this unit out of the box, I wasn't really feeling this unit. If I must be honest, I wasn't really feeling the colors of this unit on me, but I can say that once I straightened it and removed those strong bends on the end, now I'm really kind of feeling it. This is just another lesson. Like sometimes when you take the wigs out of the box, you might be like, oh hell no, but especially if it's a bob. If it's a bob or if it's a straight unit, sometimes you just gotta like put a little bit of tender loving care, because as you see, I didn't do much of anything to lay this unit, and it's looking pretty damn good if I say so myself. So sometimes you might just have to just run the flat iron through it, or maybe run a hot comb through it, and you might have a different outlook on the unit. I'm trying to decide whether or not I'm going to keep it or not, so you know that means I like it. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, I'll have everything provided in the description box down below. And if you're not part of the faithful family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the fam. And it's always important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.